Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to prepare a special drink for your people, that is a green tea. As you guys know what is green tea, but many of them doesn't know how to prepare it. So today I'm going to explain the benefits as well how to prepare the Lipton green tea. So green tea is a popular beverage consumed worldwide, right? And in recent years, it has also gained popularity as a health drink. So now I'm going to explain the ingredients. Only three ingredients, which is honey and one glass of water and a green tea of one bag. So the green tea is derived from the leaves of Camellia sinensis plant and comes in a several varieties of leaves. If the leaves you are preparing the green tea, you have to boil it for at least 30 seconds. If it is tea bag, you can just prepare it in 1 minute. So I'm making it in 1 minute. So that is with the water, which I've kept a bowl over there and just poured 1 cup of water as is shown previously. No, so I've kept for boiling till it boils. I'm going to explain the benefits of a green tea. So it can be enjoyed hot as well as cold or even in a powdered form also, and it is recognized for its high antioxidant content and health benefits also. But how much green tea should you drink to achieve these benefits, and could you drink too much? It would be dangerous also. Green tea is loaded with nutrients and plant compounds that can have positive health effects. This includes potent antioxidants called, which may help protect against cancer also. Green tea may lower your risk of developing type 2 diabetes and heart diseases also. And drinking green tea may be even help you to lose weight, help you to burn an additional 75 to 100 calories per day. Although this may seem like a small amount, it can contribute to significant weight loss over the long term. Other benefits which I can tell you this about the green tea, you can increase your immune power system and improve brain functioning and decreases the heart diseases. People may drink 1 cup per day while other may drink 2 or 3 cups. But I can say if you drink anything it may be poisonous. So you drink at least 1 to 2 cups a day. Many of them will take depends on their diseases. That I'm not going to explain now because that I'm not that expert to explain that and all. So what I can explain is one thing most studies have found is that green tea drinkers are in better health than those who do not drink tea at all. I think you understood. Okay, now the water is all boiled. Now it is time to pour the water in the bottle. So I'm pouring it. Now let's open the tea bag. So before the tea bag, what I can say, you can add a honey and you can also add a lemon also, but it is an optional for according to your taste and according to your body conditions. But I'm only adding honey, that is of 3 to 4 spoons. If you want more sweet, don't add too much also. Honey is but good, but the thing is too much is also not that good. So better have how much ever you want, how much is needed. And about the green tea, what I was telling is I'm going to repeat that green tea drinkers are in a better than those who do not drink tea at all. So this means what I can tell, better don't drink any tea, drink a green tea, that too in a limited. If you don't have any diseases, better go with the 1 cup or 2 cups. So that really helps you to decrease the weight, or it may increase in your brain functioning and decreases the heart diseases. Now I'm going to add a tea bag, so I'm not going to take much of your time. So guys, viewers, please watch till end my videos. So the tea bag is ready, that is Lipton tea bag. I'm not promoting any products over here. Whichever I'm using, same products I'm showing here. Every day morning I will take at least a 1 cup, in the evening 1 cup. So this making my brain functioning more active. I'm a homemaker, so I should have a lot of patience to do all the homework. Nowadays maids also not coming in the lockdown situation, so this will help the homemakers to be active. And one thing is, green tea is better than any other things. So better green tea is also benefited. And on what we can say is, you can add up any honey, or many of them will add sugar. Sugar is not that good. Better you go with the honey only. It may be anything, like one lemon. If you want, squeeze 1 spoon of lemon. For citric acid is good for the health, but today I'm not adding it up, and every day I'll add only the honey one. So so viewers, next, this here I'm ending up my video of green tea. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you're gonna gain all these benefits. So from and now you can see the color of the water, it has been changed. So after changing 1 minute at least, you have to keep that in that tea bag, in that bottle itself. You have to, in between you have to dip it. So thank you, viewers. Please subscribe.